All right, welcome back. Happy Thursday. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. Lesson 20. These are not all of our words to know. We have 8 new words to know, but these are just some of them. Words to know: more, my turn, your turn, more. Echo, more. Old, try, want. One more time, more. Old, try, want. Complete the sentence. Check the best word. It's all about nature. Number 1, this tree is very old or very more? Very old. Number 2, the foxes will want to find food, or the foxes will try to find food. They will try to find food. And if you put want, it could be want, but we're already using the word want over here, so I know it's try. You can only use each word one time. So if I use the word old right here, I'm done with it, okay? Let's skip over here. We old to keep. Oh, I know it's not old. It has to be want. It has to be. So I'm using it right there, okay? So now it's not left over. I can't choose the word want. The only word I can say is try. So the foxes will want to find food. That's true, but the foxes will try to find food is the answer because I've already used that word want. Number 3, it will pick up more pine cones or try pine cones. More pine cones. And go ahead and pause to make that an answer key if you need to copy. Write a word. Read the words in the word box. Write the word under the picture. My turn, your turn. Peanut, mailbox, seashell, sailboat. Go ahead and copy down. All right, let's get ready to read. Tree, frog, sings, his, oh, we know that sight word, his, song. Tree frog sings his song, by Megan Link. She's the author and the illustrator. She did the whole book all by herself. In the old days, Tree Frog was glad. In the old days, Tree Frog was glad. There's our sight word, old. He sang all day long. He sang and sang all day long. Jip, croak. He sang. Jip, croak. Jip, croak. He sang. Jip, croak. Tree Frog did not have many fans. Tree Frog did not have many fans. That means nobody liked him. He thinks he can sing, said Duck. He thinks he can sing, said Duck. What a jock. Short O's not working. Try long O. Joke. Buzzed, bug. What a joke, buzzed Bug. At last, Duck made him stop. Ooh, that's all sight words, and we have our new word, duck. At last, Duck made him stop. You see how the sight words help us to go so quickly through a sentence? I know it when I see it. I don't have to sound it out. That's why you need to be practicing your Unit 4 sight words on the YouTube video. It's video number 7 that says Unit 4, and Lesson 20 is part of Unit 4. Please practice your sight words on the PowerPoint video, okay? Quit, singing, Duck said. Quit singing, Duck said. You'll see why I highlighted that later. No one likes that song. No one likes that song. Tree Frog was crushed. Tree Frog was crushed. And based on the picture, I know crushed means sad. Duck's not being very nice. Tree Frog hid himself in his tree. Tree Frog hid himself in his tree. Then a face came and peeked at him. Then a face came and peeked at him. Hush, she said. Try and cheer up. Hush, she said. Try and cheer up. I cannot. Tree Frog sniffed. So he's not like he's sniffing flowers. He's not smelling anything. He's got the sniffles because he's crying. He cannot cheer up. Tree Frog sniffed. No one likes my song. I like it, said his new pal. I like it, said his new pal. I want you to sing more. I want you to sing more. New sight words, try, want, and more. All in our sight word video. At that, Tree Frog leapt up. Leapt up means he did leap up, okay? At that means the moment that Moon had said that. When Moon said, I like your song, at that moment, when Moon said that, Tree Frog got excited and he felt better and he leaped up. So we say leapt, okay? At that, Tree Frog leapt up. These days, Tree Frog sings at sunset. These days, Tree Frog sings at sunset, and he is as glad as can be. And he is as glad as can be. And Mrs. White lives by Quail Lake and by a place called Swan Lake, and there are frogs everywhere, and they sing at sunset. So this is a folk tale that she made up, that the author, Megan Link, made this up to explain why frogs sing at sunset and not in the middle of the night. They want to have friends. Look back and respond. Read together. Check the answer. Number 1, why did Duck talk to Tree Frog? To tell him to quit singing or to tell him he should sing? Let's go back. I look for I prove my answer with words and pictures. Quit singing, Duck said. No one likes that song. Mean old Duck. To tell him to quit singing. Number 2, how did Duck make Tree Frog feel? Very sad or angry? Well, based on the picture, I know crushed. Tree Frog was crushed. Crushed means sad. Number 3, what made Tree Frog happy? The moon liked his song, or Duck said, I'm sorry. Duck never said I'm sorry. He should have, but he never said I'm sorry. I like it, said his new pal. Moon said she likes his song. The moon liked his song. Write about Tree Frog's new pal. She is, and I said, very bright. Bright. And there's IGH, bright light, which is perfect for the moon. She is very bright. All right, you may pause to make an answer key, okay? And the next pages, right after this, these pages here, that goes with Little Rabbit's tail. You don't have to do that part. You can if you want to. In my class, we usually don't. I just like to answer in this story. I like to answer about this story. I don't want to write about the other story. Reader's Notebook answers about our other story, Rabbit's Tail. I just like to keep it about this. So we do the comprehension that matches this story, and that's it. It's a little strange that the questions are in this story. We have a Reader's Notebook for that. So go ahead and read this story on Think Central. Read it 2 or 3 times. Okay? Go all the way through on Think Central and read this and do the questions. Alrighty, bye-bye.